Only a first tonight.
This is great. This guy will try anything.
Scott Dawson is going in for the kill. Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target.
Yeah, it looked like it was completely out of desperation. Knocked down. What a shot. Careful what you wish for. It can get real ugly outside the ring.
And these guys are real ugly. Well, I've never seen him do that before.
He's in full-on attack mode now.
That wild strike found nothing but empty air that time.
Man, that's what you call swinging for the fences and missing.
5, 6.
What are you doing? We got a match going on here.
The official continuing his count toward 10.
You just knew a match of this caliber was going to spill out on the floor eventually.
I mean, when you put these two competitors together, anything's going to happen.
2, 3. He looks absolutely unstoppable here.
4. What an attack. And I don't have one problem with it. In the WWE, you do what you have to do to get ahead. Like in any business, only the strong survive.
And it's imperative he gets back in the ring right now.
8. Oh, his body has to be broken right now.
We've seen this before.
Yeah, I thought we were stuck on a rerun there for a minute.
Oh, I think this man means business. Things are looking unfavorable. My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe. Scott Dawson reversing it. Incredible.
Here he goes for the win.
Let's do this.
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
Oh, to the ribs. Well, back to old reliable.
Who's old reliable?
That was my first wife.
This may be turning into a brawl, King.
Yeah, just don't bring it over here. Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight.
5, 6.
Things really are bigger in Texas, and I can tell you that this Dallas crowd is no exception.
What diabolical things are going through that mind right now?
When you get in control like this, you want to throw everything at your opponent. And that could be what we're seeing here.
What a shot by Scott Dawson. Oh, he missed.
Oh, nobody home that time.
He's got to be vigilant about not taking any more damage to the neck.
Great move. Working the leg. He's setting it up.
Boom! Wow! That straight right hand does it again.
Oh, what a shot. That did some serious damage. You can't take too many of those and expect to be in the match much longer.
Oh, my! Oh, my!
And he's in a tough predicament.
Folks, we're coming here from Dallas, Texas, and we're just a few short miles from Reunion Boulevard, where one of the most historic buildings in wrestling history once stood. This This has been a war.
You're right about that, Cole. This has been one of the most physical battles I've witnessed in a long, long time.
It's got to be hard to rebound from that one.
Not a lot of spring left in his step right now.
Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end.
Talk about a move with bad intentions.
What a deadly submission hold this is. We might see a tap out right here.
He's wearing him down with a very effective submission hold. Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading it.
It has to be, King, but I still don't see him giving up.
You don't want to get caught outside the ring for a 10 count.
Expanding the repertoire with that move. He's got the arm bar locked in.
This hold is locked in really good.
Yeah, he's got to get the pressure off somehow.
Things really are bigger in Texas, and I can tell you that.
Watch it!
What strength, fighting his way out.
He's showing no signs of letting up.
Here we go. Scott Dawson setting it up.
When he gets going like this, there are few better.
He was one step ahead on that one.
And he's toast. That's it. He's done. Whoa, man. Well, this might be the worst yet. Oh, submission. The hold's locked in. Great hold being applied.
And there's the release. What's going to happen now?
I'm scared to ask.
That shot was perfect. If you get hit with a lot more of those, getting nailed once turns into a full-scale beating. Oh, that's going to hurt. Come on. Now he just wants that insult to injury.
Yeah, this guy's a mean streak.
This should do it right there.
I think this thing's over. I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go. Oh, a reversal. Oh.
I think he's through playing around.
Oh, lights out.
This is insane. Does this building have a curfew? I feel like we might be here all night. What a beating.
We now have to question if he'll be able to come back after that. Well, this might be the worst yet.
Nearly driven through the mat. Whoa, take a look at that. We haven't seen that one tonight.
I love something new. Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King, but I still don't see him giving up.
The temporal backbreaker say good night.
Okay, I'll say it. Good night to that guy. He's really letting his opponent have it. Oh, man. Well, this might be the worst yet. Good grief. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Well,
Shoulders down. This could be it.
count, ref, count. How much damage did that do?
A lot from the looks of it.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Whoa! Whoa! He's pulling out all the stops tonight.
And there's the submission. Can he fight out?
This is not the position you want to be in.
Going toe-to-toe here.
Hey, Cole, this could do it.
I think so.
Dawson digging down deep. Oh!
He saw that one coming.
I don't know if we've seen that from him before. I mean, it's definitely a first tonight.
This is great. This guy will try anything. He's showing no signs of letting up.
A quick reversal by Scott Dawson.
Scott Dawson with a chop block. Wow, now that's something. Well, this might be the worst yet.
We're seeing two outstanding athletes looking to prove their dominance in there, but only one can walk out victorious. Who will it be? Now we've seen this, the inverted figure four leg lock.
It's all over.
Oh, he's got to do whatever he can here to try to break this hold.
Whoa! Would you look at this? Can you believe it? This is an undying will to succeed.
Scott Dawson reversing it. Incredible.
Ouch! He's going for the pin. This could be it.
I think he's got him.
Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target.
Yeah, it looked like it was completely out of desperation. Wow, he's still down after that. Bang! Oh, man, that straight right punch. He's just getting dissected. Well, this might be the worst yet. Take a look at this one more time. Never seen anything like it.
And there's the reversal. He anticipated that move perfectly.
Scott Dawson seems helpless.
Look at this, it's locked in. I guess he's done with that move.
Yeah, but what's he going to do next?
Hang on. What a move. The finisher strikes again. Feeling that maneuver.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out? 2, 3. It's all over. That's the final elimination.